right, good morning. Real quick, this is our load. We got some bundled steel. So there's a bunch up there and a small bit back here. It's like 18,000 pounds worth. So it's actually really far forward. So I'm a bit heavy on the front end. I would guess I got probably about maybe 14 up there, because with it being an 5,000 pound load, most of it's up front. This back bundle here is only weighing about 3. So yeah, it's a bit heavy up front. But we're at the Rudy's Motor Inn, and you'll know yourself over there. Boat trailer. It was nice to meet you. I never caught your name. Finally got to meet another one of my subscribers. So yeah, if you guys see me, feel free to come up and say hi or holler over to CB. Right now my CB it works, but I can't get out. I need to get it fixed at some time. Well, anyways, that's US 33. We're gonna jump on over onto it. We're in Ohio. We got about a 20-minute drive over to Minster, Ohio, which is where we are going to deliver. And then we're gonna head up to Fort Wayne, Indiana, pick up another load of skidded something, take it up to Michigan. Truck is still broken, but we are gonna keep running. Started the truck this morning and it fired up and then instantly stalled and started running at like 300 RPM. Never recovered, had to shut it off and retry and get the fast cycle up to 1,000 to be able to hold it alive. So it's now running okay. I got it off of the fast cycle, sitting at 800 RPM, but it's still not right. So I have to keep digging into what it might be. At this point, I'm wondering if it is going to be a sensor of some sort. I'm not sure. My mechanic was also thinking that it could possibly be the lift pump, but we did just replace that about 1.5 years ago. So I really don't see that being bad, but I don't know anymore. Problem is I don't want to keep throwing big money at it, but it's apparently not an easy problem to diagnose. So I might have to talk to some other mechanics if I have to. But whatever, we'll get it figured out. I need to get moving. I slept in a little too much and get this dropped off. So I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, we're done for today. I'm going to keep this short because there's not much to say. We are in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We just dropped off a load that you guys never saw. Things happen and plans change. So we're at the J&H truck stop here in Michigan, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Not much to see. They have a diner here, the 76th Street Diner. Super good. I've eaten here before. Really cool place. And I just tried their internet. They have 650 megabit download speeds. So the fastest free internet I've ever come across, which is amazing. So anyways, I had mentioned that after I dropped off those load of steel in Ohio, that I was going to go up to Fort Wayne, Indiana, pick up a load to take over to basically Detroit. I got there to Fort Wayne to pick up, and it was 4 skids of sandbags, but then there was 3 skids of epoxy, and it was considered hazmat. No one knew it was hazmat. The people there on the job site knew it was hazmat because when it came in, it showed up as hazmat. So I'm not hazmat certified, so I wasn't able to do that. Got a truck order not used, popped on the board, found the load about a half hour north of there, pick up, bring it up here to Grand Rapids. It was some sort of galvanized steel pylon looking things. I don't know. They were really small, really weird looking. I didn't even get a picture taken, so sorry about that. But that's what we just did. It's like 5:30 now. I do not have a reload yet. Because of all the plans changing, I haven't been able to sit down and figure out what I'm doing next. So I am looking at the board, but it's slowing down. Actually, it's pretty much died because of the time of day. Everyone's gone home, and that kind of leaves me with not a whole lot to do. So I'm gonna chillax here for tonight. As you saw, I think I mentioned in the video earlier, I don't know, truck's still acting weird. Struggled to start this morning. I mean, it would start fine, but struggled to stay running. So whatever, we'll deal with that later. I'm looking at my odometer and we're about to turn on here 620,000 miles, but the truck is actually at about 850. Double check mileage. Yeah, we are at 854,416 miles. That's how many miles this truck has. So anyways, that's it. I'm gonna take it easy for tonight, get up somewhat early in the morning, maybe have some good breakfast, and try to figure out where I'm going next. So that's the plan, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Thanks.